Yes!
Magja-jogging ka na?
Yes, this is my routine. Morning run. So, kahit na anong, halimbawa, pwede ako mag-run ng 5K, 30 minutes, or more longer. Depende sa kung nagmamadali ako, 5 kilometers lang. Pero kung hindi, meron talaga akong program, I can do more longer run in a day. So, in a fasted state yan, syempre. No? Kadalasan dati, nagko-coffee, pero may time, hindi na ako nagkakape. So, in a fasted state, walang kinain. Last meal, kagabi. Okay? Pwede rin, after a meal, you can do training 4 to 6 hours after meal. Fasted state din po yun. I-train natin ang ating katawan in a fasted state, doing aerobic exercise or lifting. It will increase also your fat burning. Ito ang nagiging nangyayari sa mga fasted state. Ginagamit niya ang fat as the source of fuel. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless.